Alright, so they got this bike for free. It was in a bunch of pieces when I got it. It didn't have any handlebars, or it did have handlebars, but I didn't like them. Anyways, I wanted this bike to look kind of like a BMX bike, like a PK Ripper or something like that, like a old school BMX bike. So I took this old mountain bike, and I basically put it back together, changed out the handlebars, got a new seat, and then just got rid of all the gears on it. Made like an old school freewheel. Just set it up like that. Real simple. Some new cables. Just put some spacers in there to hold this. I should have got a different set of bars. Actually, kind of bummed I got these, but they're okay. But yeah, I put the whole thing together probably for not even $100. Anyways, thought it was wanted to show it to somebody, so take a look. See ya.